Welcome back to Ninja Glossa. Today we're going to talk about the second part of the Greek alphabet. Hi everyone, this is Salvo and welcome to Ninja Glossa, your language learning hub. This channel is entirely dedicated to language learning. I'm going to try my best to share with you my knowledge and passion that I've got for foreign languages and cultures. This letter of the alphabet is P. And many of you might know this letter already from mathematics as pi, the Greek pi. In actual fact, it's still used today in Greek, and it is the letter P. P. The next one, although it looks like a P to us, it is R, and we pronounce it R, is the letter Ro. So P, Ro, Ro. So don't be confused, even if it looks like a P. It is a P in actual fact in the Latin script, but it is pronounced as R, is the R sound in Greek. So P, Ro. The next letter is sigma. You might also know this letter already for mathematics or geometry. And this letter has two variations. The first one is in the capital letter. The capital letter is always the same, but the small script has two variations, whether it is at the beginning or the middle, or whether it is at the end of a word. So if it is at the beginning of the sentence, or sorry, at the beginning of a word, it looks like an O with a tiny little cap on top. That is always the same letter for S. However, if it is at the end of the word, it gets this different shape. It looks like a C with a tail underneath. But it is always the same letter. So whenever we see it, it's S, the letter S. Sigma, sigma. So P, Rho, sigma. The next letter is tough, tough, and that is the letter T, tough. And then Epsilon, you might know as in Epsilon in classical Greek. However, we do not say U anymore. In modern Greek, it is just I. So it is Epsilon. So again, this is an E sound. E, Epsilon. So let's have a look at this word. I porta. I porta. You'll be surprised to find out that the Greek language has given a lot to the world. A lot of words have a Greek root, in fact. But you'll be surprised to find out that today, in modern Greek, we also have loan words that come from other languages, such as English, French, or even Italian. This one is a great example of this importation. In fact, in Greek, whenever you want to say the door, you would rather say I porta. I is the article. We saw an article in the previous video, to, like to gala. Now we have I porta, for the simple reason that porta in the Greek language is a feminine noun. So we have a feminine article, I porta, the door, I porta. The next one, although it may look very long word to you, is I thalassa. I thalassa. The sea. Thalassa. You see? Thalassa. I thalassa. The sea. I thalassa. This is another important city in Greece. Thessaloniki. Thessaloniki. If you can read Thessaloniki. Thessaloniki. You see, the stress accent tells us how to pronounce the words in Greek. So, as you can see, the stress accent is on the iota. So, it is Thessaloniki. Thessaloniki. And this is the flag for Cyprus. And Cyprus comes from the Greek word Keeprose. I Keeprose. And as you can see, the sigma at the end of Keeprose is in that way just because it is at the end of a word. So Keeprose, Keeprose. The next letter is Phi, the letter F. Phi. And then the letter He. He. It is a bit hard to explain how to pronounce this letter because it does not really appear in so many other languages. The closest I can think of is the Scottish word for loch. Although loch has a very rough sound at the end, you have to think of that sound but a bit softer. So she is not she, is not he, is she. You have to press the lower part of your palate just at the back and blow. She. Then we have the letter Psi. Psi. And finally, as everybody knows, the last letter of the Greek alphabet is Omega. Omega. We know Alpha, Omega. From Alpha to Omega, from A to Z, right? So Omega. It looks like a W, but it is an omega. So essentially in Greek we have two letters for the sound O, the omicron and omega. So let's read this word. This is a beautiful place in the central part of Greece. Ta Meteora. Ta Meteora. As you can see, ta Meteora has got the same root word of the English word meteorite. Ta Meteora. Ta Meteora. Ta is also an article. It's like to gala, I porta, ta Meteora. Ta is the plural of to. If to is one, ta is many. So ta Meteora. Ta Meteora. Another word always connected to this amazing place in Greece is ta monasteria. Ta monasteria. Ta monasteria. Ta monasteria sta Meteora. And these are the monasteries in Meteora. So ta monasteria sta Meteora. Okay, so this is a word that many of you might already know. It's the word Ipoli. Ipoli means the city, and this is another picture of the city of Athens. Ipoli. Ipoli, as in city, you might know of this word because it is used widely in many cities around the world, has got, especially in the West, that has Greek roots like Neapolis, which is Naples, or Minneapolis. So any word that has the word polis is the Greek word for city, Ipoli. Kalimera. Kalimera says, Kalimera is the first greeting that many of you should learn in Greek, and that means good morning. In fact, it means good morning or beautiful morning, because there is kalos, which means good, like the word calligraphy. Calligraphy, right? Calligraphy means a good way of writing, a good handwriting. So why is it good? Because it looks nice. So kalos, like in calligraphy, means nice, good looking. So Kalimera, imera is the day. So Kalimera means good day, nice day. Kalimera. So if Kalimera is good day, Kalispera is good evening. So Kalispera says, Kalispera. And always look at the stress accent. The stress accent tells you how to pronounce and where to stress the word. Kalispera. Kalispera. And finally, we have Kalinichta. Kalinichta. You hear the sound h, h. Kalinichta. Good night. Kalinichta. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, feel free to leave any comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.